Guys, bigyan ko kayo ng update guys. Update. Kalitunan ni Tolits. Yan na yung belly natin guys. 450 degrees lang yan guys. Ito na yung litunan ni Tolits. 450 lang din yan guys. Nothing special. 450 lang din yan guys. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo yung temperature niyan. Yan na itsura niyan guys. Yan na itsura niyan. Crispy-licious na guys. Nothing special yan guys. 450 lang yan. Tingnan natin. 450 lang yan. 450 lang yan. 450 lang yan. 450 lang yan guys. Walang ibang temperature kundi yan lang guys. Okay guys. Ayan na si Toyang guys. Pag-deliver ng 2 lechon. Ayan na guys. Okay. Huwag laging bukas guys. Kundi mawawala yung temperature niyan. Bye bye. Chubiu. Bagong style yung guys.